So to start, I'll just prep my nail. I'll come in with a file and I'll file the edges and the surface as well. Hello and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, you're welcome and I hope you stay. Today I'm bringing to you a very easy short nails natural looking manicure. Without wasting time, let's just get started. Next, I'll come in with a dehydrator to get rid of any dust and oils that might be on the nails. I'll come in with a primer. Now I'll get my fake nails and come in with a little bit of nail glue. I'll go ahead and stick them onto my nails. I'll push it into the cuticle area to give it that very natural look. So as you can see, the fake nails are super short, and this is very ideal for those who don't want long nails or those who work in the professional setting. So next I'll come in with my file and file off that pointy plastic over there. I'll come in with one coat of a base coat. Now I'll be using this matte gel, and as you can see, it's in the color light blue. I'll give it a first coat. Then go ahead and cure them under the UV light. And since I want the color very vivid, I'll come in with a second coat. Now I'll come in with a glossy top coat. Go ahead and cure it for a minute more. I'll come in with some cuticle oil to help relax the cuticle area. And here we are, we all done now. They are so easy to make, and I mean these nails come in very handy if you're a very busy person or if you naturally don't like long nails. This is very ideal. I hope you do give this a try. Do you like the color? Let me find out in the comment section. If you've not subscribed, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to share this with family and friends, and don't forget to leave me that big fat thumbs up. Until next time, I am going to see you again with another nice and interesting one. Bye.